Taking on an apprenticeship, it's exciting and it's hard work, but once you get through it, it's quite rewarding and it opens up so many different options down the track. Coming here to an international ground and interact with the international and state domestic cricketers has really guided me in wanting to do what I do now. I miss all the mateship that you make. I've been able to make some really good friends. We had India versus Sri Lanka here, and that was my first probably real time around the superstars of international cricket. It's going to be hard work, especially the first couple of years, but it's very rewarding and opens up so many different opportunities.